In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's features you wish to manage. I will go with Calendar. Now select one of your apps under one of those sections. In this case, Allow or Not Allowed. I will go with Booking from Not Allowed one. Tap on Allow over here and then go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Booking.com just gained access to my device's calendar. If you want to, you can also select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage instead, and click on See All Permissions at the bottom of this list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!